Just arrived at the Easyriders Show Charlotte. It's the end of January 2019. Rick and those guys are over there signing in motorcycles.
No, he took his.
I know him. I saw that bike outside. There's more. But anyhow, over there's Michael Lichter's studio where we can shoot pictures of real nice bikes. There's that new Indian. Oh my God, I'm going to come back and check that out. There's the Indian booth. Wow, look at this. Anyhow, we just got here. Ain't even found my booth yet. I think it's going to be a great show. Wow, this is the main building. Look how many motorcycles they have this year. Some really nice ones. Over here's the garage. This is cool. I got to talk to one of these guys later. But this is the main building. About an hour before the show's going to start. Wow, check that thing out. Over here's the antique motorcycle group, and this is the coolest section of the show. Promise you that. The prison congregation section. Looking forward to a great day.